Hello, welcome to my Android classroom. Today I'm going to show you how to make a floating action button in Android. Let's take a look at it first. The floating action button is a beautiful circular button commonly placed at the bottom right corner here. And when you click on it, it just behaves like a normal button. And we can also hide it and show it. Okay, let's get started. So before we do anything, make sure you have imported the dependency here. You can find it in the description below. Okay. So here's my main layout. It's a relative layout as the root layout. And here we create a floating action button. We set the width and height to wrap content, and we place it align bottom, parent bottom, and also align parent end. And we also give it margin of 16 dp. Okay, looks better. And next, we are going to create a drawable icon and place it into our floating action button. So we right click on the drawable folder and choose vector asset. And here we search add, and we change the name to add. So now we can use the source property and type in the add. As we can see here, the color doesn't look good, so we are going to change the color here. We change the 6 zeros to 4 F's to make it white. Okay, so now looks better. The next, we give it an ID. Okay, and we need 2 more buttons. Which is show and hide, and we also give them IDs. And next, we are going to create a linear layout, which is horizontal orientation, and place the 2 buttons we created just now into this linear layout, and set to centering parent true. And let's give it a margin n of ADP. Okay, looks good. So let's wire them up. And next, we are going to set on click listener to our floating action button. And here we are going to show a toast message. Pass in the context and the text, click, and the duration of the toast. And don't forget to show. You need to use the given view to get context. Okay. And next, we are going to set on click listener to our show button. In here, we are going to show our floating action button. Just need to call the show method on our floating action button object. And similar, we call hide method on the floating action button object to hide it. Yeah, that's it. Let's run it. So we click on that, click, and we hide it, show it, and hide it, and show it. Yeah, just that simple, easy. And besides that, I'm going to show you more interesting properties of the floating action button. So if we want to change the size of the floating action button, we have two options. The first one is called cap size. You can use normal, which is it doesn't change because the normal is the default size of it. So you can try mini, which makes it become smaller. Okay, and the other option is to use custom size. In here, you can, let's say 80 dp, becomes bigger, right? Let's try 100. Yeah. And also, if you want to change the background color, you can use the background tint. Let's say hollow blue dark. See that? Yeah, just that easy. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. See you next time.